Hello students, good morning everyone. So today we are going to discuss about the new point of your lesson, that is a growing plants. From that lesson we are going to discuss about the vegetative reproduction. So first I am going to introduce about the what is meant by the vegetative reproduction. What is meant by the reproduction? So reproduction is the process through which the plants reproduce the new plants. Okay, reproduction is the process through which we are getting a new plant. So today we will discuss about the vegetative reproduction. Vegetative reproduction means that the reproduction in a plant through the stem, roots, through the flower and through the body parts of the plant. So one by one we will discuss about all the types of the vegetative reproduction. So the first is through the stem. Okay. So students, we already discussed about the plant can be reproduced through the flowers. So in this garden you can see many flowers around me. Okay, so we already discussed about the parts of the flower and the reproduction through the flowers. But today, first we will discuss about the reproduction through the stem. So first we are going to discuss that is the reproduction through stem. Many plants grow through their stems, just like that potato, ginger. When we are putting this plant into the soil, what will happen? So after some days we can see the some bird on them. Okay, so this bird is none another, it is a reproduction of new plant. The many plant reproduce through their stem, like ginger and the potato. So they after if you are putting no need to put somewhere potato, if you are putting potato for longer time, so we can see the green color bird is on the surface of the potato. So that time we can say that the new plant is there. So it is none another, it is a reproduction of the plant through the stem. So the ginger, potato, these types of plant can be reproduced through the stem. So to reproduce the potato and ginger, we can do the experiment also. Take some soil. Okay, एक पॉट में आपको सॉइल लेनी है और उसमें पोटैटो या तो जिंजर को आपको लगाना है. आफ्टर सम डेज यू कैन सी the new plant of the potato or the ginger. So the first type is reproduction through the stem. So we can reproduce the plant through the stem, and the best example is potato and the ginger. Now the next part is reproduction through the stem. Okay, so the reproduction through the stem, the best example is a money plant. Okay, if you are taking one part of the money plant, if you keep into the water, what will happen? After some days you can see the roots started to grow. So here reproduction through the many plants, just like as a money plant and the dahlia, if you are keeping these types of plant into the water, so after some days you can see first root system is going to develop, and afterwards shoot system started to develop. So here in case of the money plant and the dahlia, the reproduction is happen through the roots only. So no need to do anything, just take one part of the money plant and keep into the water. So after some days you can see the roots started to develop, and after the root system the shoot system started to develop. So this is related with the root system. So the reproduction can be happen through the root system also. Now the next one is through the leaves. Okay students, do you know that through the leaves also we can reproduce the plants? If you are taking the leaf of the plant, and if that plant getting the sufficient or the proper conditions, it means that air, moisture, soil, water, so that after some days you can see the green color birds on the surface of the leaves, and this is none another, this is a reproduction through the leaves. So the leaves, just like as a brachylium, they are having a capacity to reproduce through the leaves. This is a most important part. So that we can reproduce through the leaves also. Around us many leaves are there. So by using that leaves also we can reproduce the plant. So student, you can also search some plants which can reproduce through the stem, through the leaves and through the roots. So these things related with the reproduction in a plant. And students, some plants can reproduce through the pores also. Some plants, just like as a ferns and the mosses, some plants just like as a ferns and mosses, they are not having flowers and they cannot reproduce the seeds. Sorry, they are not having a seed. So how they can reproduce? So these types of plants can reproduce through the spores. So the ferns plant having leaves, and through the spores they can breathe. Okay, the ferns plant can breathe through the spores which are present on the leaves, and through the leaves they are having some green color buds or the spores, and through that spores they can germinate, and after the germination they can reproduce. So these all the things related with the reproduction in the plant. So the reproduction in the plant can be happen through the roots, then through the stems, through the